feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It also feels good to be out
Here, come on in, fill in the available space for me, please. We have anything on the space right over here?
Yeah, I'm going to. Usually it stops immediately.
Right up here for you. Come on in, fill in the available space, please.
I apologize. I was trying
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Incoming transmission from Ray. BB-8, is everyone assembled? Good. Shouldn't you be in flight prep? Recruits, thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a first-order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pokhara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pokhara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9-Num and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Pontang and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pokhara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
I'll go last.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear, it'll be a smooth ride. Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiating green flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pokhara.
All right, recruits, you are joining the Resistance today. Are you ready for this? Oh, come on now. I said, are you ready for this? All right, let's go. Oh my God,
I am getting a high reading of the fuel pressure line. That's better. Catch the mind-reading motivator. Yes, I just want to...
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor. Thank you, 9-Num. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report.
Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships launched. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pokhara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. The shields.
Company, first order strike fighters. Clear up. Red 2, Blue 5, get a few down so transport can make the jump.
Two more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake your blue.
I'm trying.
TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
Resistance sympathizers, this ship is now under the command of the First Order. You will exit and proceed down the corridor on your right for processing. Now get off the ship immediately.
What the fuck? Wohin? Was ist das bitte?
Continue on down the corridor, Spy.
Nein.
Wie geht das denn? Okay, das ist...
Auxiliary troops stand down. Prisoners in containment area.
Do you not want to leave? This group. How many are in your unit? You will be on the color blue. How many here?
4.
4. You will be on the color red. How many here? 2. I'm going to change that. The 4 of you are going to be on silver. The 2 of you are going to be on blue. 4 on silver. Excellent. The colors that I have assigned you are very important. You will need them later. Do not forget your color. We will learn the location of the secret resistance base. Judging by the looks of you, it won't take long. A meeting with General Organa, otherwise known as Princess Leia. We will get to the bottom of this. Do not lean against the wall.
Okay.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Droid. You're lucky it didn't respond. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We are breaching detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route.
Priority alert. Detection to level D.
Just follow us. Take hurry.
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Scout my pocket. Thank you.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending for POV personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
You're tracking that pod at the wreckage, sir.
Wreckage? I've got a bad feeling about this.
No, he came down in the wreckage.
I suppose so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Guys, from the crews heading out this way.
What the fuck? Amazing.
Yeah.
I just have to do